Hello, good day everyone, and welcome to this week's Make It Snappy session. You are here with Yashin from Modern OneSolve, and the tool I will be showing you how to work with today is the basics of the circle command in the sketching environment. Okay, so what I have on screen is just a square, and I'm going to activate my sketch from my browser. It takes me parallel to my drawing plane, and I'd like to start the circle command. So a lot of these tools have different types of functions, and we will go through all the circle options. So the first one I'm going to do is use the circle tangent option. What this allows you to do is draw your circle tangent to each and every line that you select. So this will require 3 selections. Okay, first one, second, and third. And what you'll notice is it generates a circle the same shape and size. Its circumference touches the edges of the square itself. And of course this creates a closed profile, so I can extrude it if I like and go all the way up. Okay, so the next one we're going to have a look at is the standard circle tool. So to do that, I can start a sketch on the top face of the cylinder and start the center point circle. So the center point circle is quite nice. It allows you to choose the center location of your circle. So what I'm going to do is grab the origin point of the cylinder that I just drew out and draw out my circle. So there's a couple things you can do from this point. You can just drag your circle and draw it out, but you'll notice that the geometry is not constrained, so it's a bit flexible in how it moves. So I'm going to delete that and show you another option. Okay, so I can specifically size the circle whilst I'm drawing it out by simply defining its center position, and that center position can be points. Okay, you can use to reference in terms of if you were creating a hole. However, in this case, what I'm going to do is actually assign it a value. Okay, give it a diameter. In this case, I'll give it a diameter of 120 by simply typing those values out on my keyboard and then hitting enter. What you'll notice happen over there is that it becomes fully constrained. It's not flexible because we have a specification applied to it. So what I'm going to do is extrude that circle again and confirm my input. And I'm going to start a sketch on the top of the circle over here, or cylinder rather, now that it's been transformed. And I'm going to start the circle command once again. In this case, what I'm going to do is define a center point, or any point. It can be a point on your model, a reference point, a corner point, etc. In this case, I'll just grab the center. Now, as I'm drawing out the circle, it's asking for a diameter value. What I can do before, maybe I want a radius value, before I actually input any information, I'm going to right click using my mouse and head over to the marking menu. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of quick options that you can use over here. However, the one I'm interested in is changing the size of my circle from being specified by using a diameter